What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Well, guys, we're back working on Foxy again. Finally. I think it's been like a month since I did a video on Foxy here. Been focusing on the 98 GT over here. Right here. Been doing a lot of videos on it. And what the world, my cat? Get out of here. Get out of here, cat. Go. Get. Go. Whatever, stay back there. Crazy cats. They're always doing something crazy. Especially out here in the morning. Well, anyways, guys, what was I? Yeah, the last video I did on here was I installed a fuel pump. Yeah, I installed a fuel pump on here. It was my last video I did. And yeah, that cat. One of my cats over there. Yeah, I installed a fuel pump on here. And today, guys, I am going to be installing an adjustable fuel regulator. My crazy cats. But yeah, I'm gonna be installing that because I'm in the process here of upgrading my fuel system. You know, cause I already got the fuel pump upgraded already. Now I'm gonna be upgrading the fuel pressure regulator. It's a slow process, guys, that I'm doing. I'm slowly but surely working on upgrading the fuel system. Because today I'm putting the adjustable fuel regulator on. And probably next, I'm probably going to go to my fuel injectors in the rail and stuff. Work on trying to upgrade that. Just want to go ahead and get an adjustable fuel regulator here. So that in case if I had to adjust my fuel pressure when I upgrade my my fuel injectors, I could be able to adjust the fuel pressure. I may not have to, but guys, just in case anyways. Yeah, and this one here only costs like 90 bucks, which is pretty good. And I heard good things about it and everything, and a lot of people's run this on their Foxbody. Yeah, it was either between this one or the automotive one that I was gonna go with. Went in with this one since it's 90, and the automotive was like 160. It looks nice, but let's went ahead and went with this one. Alright, enough of me rambling here. Okay, let's get to getting this thing off. So yeah, right there is my fuel pressure regulator, the stock one. And it looks like it's going to be a pain in the butt to get off. Since the bolts are upside down and there's 3 of them. They're like, if I can get my hand there, but maybe I can see there's one right there, and one in the back there. But they're upside down, so I gotta try to get under there and try to get them off somehow. Alright, guys, so I'll figure out how I'm gonna do this. So the first thing that I'm going to do, which I already did this already, but I'll kind of go over what I did, is I came over here. This is my shredder valve, which my Mustang is 93 and mine's is located like behind the alternator. And it's on the passenger side. Now, this right here is what I'm talking about. I believe it's called shredder valve. I stuck like a screwdriver in there, a little small one, and made the gas spray out of here. I have me a towel over there too, so I can catch some of the gas, so it won't get everywhere. And I believe that by you doing this, it releases the pressure off your fuel regulator and get some of the gas. Now, it's not going to get all of it. There will be a little bit at the bottom. And the next thing I did, guys, is let me go over here. Okay, on the fuel regulator there, I went ahead and took the vac hose, the hose that puts the air in here. I went ahead and took that off, which you just pull it off. You might have to twist it a little bit. So I got that. Now, the next thing I'm going to do now, guys, is get these screws out of the screw regulator. Now, for me to do that, I am going to remove my intake here, so that way I can be able to get to them easier. I believe that's all I'm going to have to remove right now, guys, is the intake here. Now, there might be an easier way to do this, guys, but this is the way I can figure out how to do it. So I'm going to do this, guys. I'm going to get the intake off of here and get over there to the bolts under there and get this thing out. So I already got the upper intake off. I got me a towel, kind of just laying on top of my lower intake there. Try to keep from any kind of trash and stuff getting inside there. There's little portholes like right there. Try to keep it clean there. And now that I got that off, I should have room to be able to get to my bolts on my fuel pressure deal. Fuel pressure. See, I got one right there, and the other one's right there, and the other one is like back there. Maybe I can see it. It's like back there. So what I'm gonna do now is get me a little Allen wrench and get me a little flathead screwdriver and kind of pull up on here so I can get under there. Oh yeah, also I remove this bolt right here on the fuel line so I can be able to get a little slack on the fuel line there. Got my towel, so it's gonna give me a little towel, another one, so I can kind of catch some of the gas there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, get that off, and we should be ready, good to go. So I got it in there already. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt to get it in there, but I got it in there. It's a little slow process trying to get the one in the back there in. Had to get my screwdriver and kind of pried it up some, and then put my Allen wrench back there and took it out like that. So it's in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my intake back on, put everything back together. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so we got everything back together. Intake, everything hooked back up. And I did polish up this intake some. Not too much, but it looks better than what it was. And right there is the fuel pressure regulator, the adjustable one, the new one. And there's no clearance issue or nothing like that. And we don't got no leaks. I already primed this, which I guess I'll show y'all how I did it. Get in here. Alright guys, so basically how you prime these is just you just turn your key over once like that, and you wait to hear your fuel pump come on, but you're not gonna hear mine because my battery's dead at the moment. Then you turn it back off, then you turn it a second time, fuel pump come on, you just wait a little bit, then turn it back off, and then you just do it a third time. Wait a little bit, fuel pump come on, stuff. And basically that's how you prime it. Basically you're just letting the fuel pump come on, and you're letting your fuel pump put fuel up into your fuel pressure regulator and into your fuel injectors and stuff. So yeah guys, let me get back up here to the border. Yeah, it's still a mess inside my Mustang. Gotta get it got cleaned up. So yeah guys, I guess this is gonna do it for this video. So we got the adjustable fuel pressure regulator installed. Next on this fuel system upgrade, we're gonna work on the injectors, getting the injectors and fuel rail together. And probably gonna change out this mass air meter thing. this whole deal here, so they can be able to work with the injectors that we put on. Get one that's already cabulated and stuff. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Now it's gonna be a little while before I get to doing the fuel injectors and stuff. I might be doing some other stuff before that, but we'll get it done eventually, guys. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See y'all later.